Okay guys, mananak kya empleyado dyan, gawan tayo ng project tayo. Pero ayay, singa Inglesera ay, subok tayo yan. Tawagan ko Ann Yani Espirito?
Huh?
Please come inside. Ann Yani Espirito, right?
Yes, that is me, and I would like to apply for a job.
And I see here that you have a lot of experiences when you were when you were working in your previous company. And it says here that you are good at handling people. People are scared, they respect you well. So I believe I need you in my team.
When do I start?
You can start tomorrow, okay?
Really?
Yeah, for the training.
Thank you.
Okay, next applicant, Ina Thea Santos. Ina Thea Santos, tama?
Yes po.
Okay din itong credentials mo Masipag ka mag-aral, pero bagong graduate ka, no? So wala ka pang experience sa trabahong ito. Alam mo ba na mahirap ang trabaho dito? Panggabi, tsaka lagi kang wala sa opisina. Okay lang ba sa'yo yun?
Pangarap ko po talaga mag-work sa inyo.
Sige. Tanggap ka na at magte-training ka na bukas, okay?
Talaga po. Salamat.
Okay. Okay, rarami na lang ka Matala ba ito itong dadaligalam ko kaka-English, pero ay mga tatagalog. Sarasarag ko Tawagan tayo. Mavilea Delaini?
Yes, sir.
Nakikita ko kasi dito na yun palang dati mong trabaho, malayo sa field nitong vacancy namin. Oo. So, kaya mo ba to?
Yes, sir. I love challenges. And I believe I will grow into a better person and an employee in your company.
Pag-iisipan ko muna itong application mo, no? Tatawagan ka na lang natin.
Thank you.
Okay? Okay guys, si Karalabat, so interviewin ko natin. Maong nata, walay na gyatwara, okay? See you lalamat noon sa playa. Hiring tayo. See you!